What's up, fish guys? We're actually on the way to Jacksonville right now because, like in the last video, I didn't really post the video that we did, but because I don't really have enough footage to post. But sorry it's loud, guys. But I got the window down, enjoying this fresh air we got. But like I said, we're on the way to Jacksonville, and last time that we were down here and we went fishing down here, we actually were getting tore up by blue crab. And it's blue crab, it's getting ready to be blue crab season. So we're gonna go down here, we're gonna make a DIY trap. Me and my stepdad, we're gonna put one together. And me, my wife, and my brother, we're gonna go out and we're gonna go throw these traps. And yeah, man, we're gonna do a little bit of fishing too. So stay tuned, man. See you guys in a little bit. Peace.
What is going on, fish guys? We're at my mother's house and my stepfather's house in Jacksonville. So two things we're about to do right now. So I got this trap right here, okay? I got this trap right here with a tilapia carcass, right? Before I left Orlando, I think it was last night, I made this trap and then I took it out and I set it out overnight. Came back this afternoon before we came down here, and I actually had over like maybe 4 dozen minnows, right? Okay, so let me guys tell you like really like what's gonna happen right here. Ugh, it's so disgusting. It stinks so bad, dude. It stinks so bad. So look, what basically what this is was a old water container, right? Cut it out, and you basically want it to where, because this is how I had it, and I had it like this for almost 24 hours, maybe not a whole 24 hours. All right, hold on. So basically it's gonna sit like that, right? So I'm gonna take this, say hi.
Oh no.
So basically I'm gonna take this right here, right, and I'm gonna tie it right here, okay? Hold on. It'll be tied just like so. Boom, there, it's tied. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna stretch this line out, okay? Do not walk through that. That is nasty, sweetheart. That water is disgusting. So I really don't. Oh, this is in a big old knot. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it right here to this dock, and we're gonna drop it right here. Now you gotta fill it up with water first, because it's not just gonna automatically. Whoops, and you don't want that right there. So now we got it working, guys. Now we gotta let it fill up. So guys, we're just gonna let that sit right there, and we're gonna see what it produces. So guys, like I said, we are also making a crab trap DIY. First time trying it, we're gonna try it. Let's do it. So we got these crates right here. We got this wire right here. And we're gonna see what we can do. I caught these 2 bass over the past 2 days. We're gonna clean them up, use the fillets, cook them later, smoke them, maybe show you guys some footage of that, show you what I'm gonna do. And then yeah, if we got some crab, we're gonna cook those too. So let's get right into it and let's get to doing it. eat up my mosquitoes. Good morning, people. We are back out here and we are gonna check this trap. And we're gonna see what's in it. We're gonna see what it's looking like, what's going on. Oh, snap. Looks like the water rose up. Roll that down there. Look at it, tide's up. We got high tide right now, I think. Come on, let me get this out. This gotta get out of the water. Cause the water wasn't like that last night. No, sir. I think it's high tide right now. I don't know. Yeah, say so. Let me know, guys, in the comments below it if it's high tide right now or low tide. I'd say it's high tide. I saw a baby shrimp down here last night, and I was gonna take it home to my stepdad, put it in his tank, surprise him a little bit. See what we got, people.